Special Containment Procedures. Specimen is to be kept at Armed Research Site 45. Hazardous Lifeforms Lab is to be sealed and locked in Type G containment facility with connected oxygen supply. Description: SCP-4.39 is an insect of unknown origin, somewhat resembling a grayish, semi-translucent Forficula auricularia common earwig, approximately 2.5 centimeters in length, originally obtained in mainland China, undisclosed province. Specimen is to be fed through feeding tube 16A with approved nutritive substance XF. Handling is available to level 2 personnel and higher. SCP-439. The true hazard this creature poses lies in its habitat construction and reproduction, which is initiated when the specimen enters the mouth of a sleeping human. Upon location of a suitable host, the specimen will hide itself in the immediate vicinity and wait until the victim has fallen asleep. How it is able to determine the state of sleep is unknown. Upon entering the mouth of the new host, SCP-439 will travel down the trachea and take up residence in one of the victim's lungs. In approximately 4 hours after awakening, the host will complain of chest pains and shortness of breath, followed shortly by abdominal cramping. The tightness in the chest will increase as well as a fever until the host is incapacitated. It is around this time that the onset of fibrodysplasia ossificans progressiva (FOP) occurs, a disorder that is normally genetic in nature that promotes the growth of muscle tissue into bone. Since the production of new bone growth is so rapid, the procedure is also quite painful for the subject. New bone spurs occasionally protruding through the flesh. While this is happening, the host will become compelled to seek shelter in a darkened, enclosed space, such as inside household cabinetry, closets, or heating ductwork. Within the first 3 days without treatment, the host will become completely withdrawn and immobile due to the extreme pain of new bone growth, coupled with difficulty breathing. At this point, the subject's body will begin the final stage of transformation into a bone hive. Having concealed itself in its new home, the body of the host will huddle in its final position. Entire portions of the skeletal structure will shift along until the host body is roughly 7 feet in nature and double its original size. New bone protrusions will continue to grow. At this point, transformation is complete. The original queen that entered the host will have produced 20 to 30,000 offspring that function as workers, drones, and warriors in a typical insect hive hierarchy.